all the way down the hall, friends, into either open door. And all the way down the hall into either open door. And all the way down the hall, friends, into either open door.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Looks like a lot of paperwork.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Right this way, everybody. Please make sure to finish all the available space. You're welcome.
Excited, yeah?
Permanezcan sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
That guy should be on the next screen. You're welcome. Have a great time. Hold on to your hand. You're welcome. Don't pull down there. You're not far, folks. Pull it out.
Ride around the port. Hey, Mick and Lynn. Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Wait, this is all fall! Oh no! Let's get that runaway train! Not a chance!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong. Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!